Okay, so what we've got around here is this little gadget here. And what this is an old floorboard, right? One of those ones that slide into each other. And what I've done is I've just cut a V at each end. As you can see, a V there, V there. There's a V, and there's a V there. Okay, and there's a hole in the middle. And basically, this just a simple floorboard cut like that, and you can wrap all your cable on it. You know, this is probably about 10 meters of power cord, which is plugged in over there. But yeah, so and it stops it getting all tangled up into knots. Because if you sort of just do the normal sort of over your elbow, or just try and wind it up into a circle, after a while it gets all tangled up. But this is really good. You can just slide it into your camper van anywhere, or just have it laying around the house. Easy to find. I've coloured mine red, and I've just cut a hole in the middle just for easy, so you can carry it. But it's a real beauty. You don't need to buy any fancy coils or anything from Bunnings. Just a simple bit of wood. So there's my handy tip for the day.